Hello everyone, welcome to this property tour video of Nevado Realty. We are here in the authentic and real Golden Mile. We are close to Marbella Club Hotel, close to Puente Romano Hotel, of course in the beach side, okay, and close to all the services, tennis club, gym, the best restaurants, the center, Puerto Banús. And this property, which I will invite you to see our video, is 5 bedroom, 5 bathroom, fully equipped, fully furnished, just ready to go in for only 4,150,000 euros at nevadomarbella.com. Please follow me. Hi, we have just arrived to this amazing property, so please follow us and watch our tour video of this magnificent property. Hi everyone, now we have our car parked in the right place and safe, and now we're gonna show you this incredible property. Please follow me, come on. Well, we are inside this lovely property. It's a villa distributed in 2 main floors, living area with 1 bedroom here, living and dining, of course, fully fitted kitchen, exit to the porch area and to the garden area with a salty water swimming pool. Okay, in here, of course, all the top qualities that you can imagine, underfloor heating, air conditioning, warm and cold. And what else can I tell you from here? Full privacy, as you can see, the orientation is southwest, so it's really a very bright property, very sunny. Here in Marbella, you know that you enjoy 365 days the sun, so it's a property to really come with your clothes, because it's selling by, I mean, including all the furniture included in the price. Okay, so please, if you want to follow me, you will see the rest of the porch and swimming pool area. Hi, now we are in the Solarium, in the rooftop, where we have a private pool, heated, of course. Nice area for a barbecue, with barbecue, of course. Here you can more or less get an idea of where we are located. We are in a, again, gated community of only 7 properties, 7 villas. Marbella is right over there on the east side, 10 minutes. Puente Romano and Marbella Club is only 5 minutes walking from here, and you can see Gibraltar over there and Port Banús just below us. Amazing. Here you have sun the whole day clearly, and the property is oriented to the southwest, so it's a very, very illuminated and bright property. We are now in the basement with natural light distributed in living area, okay, and the 5th bedroom with bathroom en suite. As you can see, with a large sofa to have guests, kids, or visitors that do not want to stay in the main area of the property. Here we have also to give service to this area, hiding in this nice wardrobe kitchenette with oven and a fridge, of course. Table can be a cards table or to play any kind of game. And this is the house of the perfect game. Why? Because why not finish a nice afternoon or dinner or lunch, finishing playing some billiard with your friends. And this is why this is the perfect game buying a property.